Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you set your inactivity lock into your Bitget. That means how much time would you like to set for your app to be automatically locked if you don't use for that specific time period. Now, in order to set that, you just simply have to open your Bitget, and after opening Bitget, you will get to see this dotted icon into the top left corner. Now, just simply tap there and select your profile. After selecting it, you will get to see this option of security. Just simply select security and scroll down to all the way bottom where you will get to see this option of app inactivity lock. Now, to get this option, first you will have to enable fingerprint unlock into your Bitget. Then just simply tap to app inactivity lock and you can set between 1 minute to 48 hours. It means if you select 1 minute in here and enter your password, your application will be logged after 1 minute of inactivity. And if you select 3 hours, similarly, your account will be logged if you will be inactive more than 24 hours and you have to unlock by entering your fingerprint or passcode. Just simply set the time which is suitable for you. This way you can very easily set your inactivity lock into your Bitget app. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.